Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to reset your Lincoln MKZ oil light, a simple task you can do yourself after an oil change. To begin, ensure your vehicle is in the run position. This means pressing the start-stop button once without pressing the brake pedal. You should see your dashboard lights illuminate, indicating accessory power is active and ready for the next steps. Now that your vehicle is in the run position, locate the directional pad on the left side of your steering wheel. This pad allows you to navigate through your dashboard display menus. Use the arrow buttons to scroll until you find and highlight the settings option. Once settings is highlighted, press the OK button, usually located in the center of the directional pad, to select it. After entering the settings menu, you will see several sub-options. Use your directional pad again to scroll through these choices. You are looking for the Vehicle menu. Highlight Vehicle and press OK to enter. Inside the Vehicle menu, continue scrolling until you find Oil Life Reset. This is the specific option we need to interact with to clear the maintenance reminder. You are almost done. Once Oil Life Reset is highlighted, press and hold the OK button for a few seconds. You should see a confirmation message on your display, indicating that the oil life has been successfully reset to 100%. Finally, turn your ignition completely off, then start your engine to verify that the oil change reminder light is no longer illuminated. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.